Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today, here at Crypto.com, looking at crypto, it is going well. Alright? Perfect. Bitcoin. Okay, let's go take a look at that. Everything's based off of that. 25,000. Wow, we are just inching up little by little. You can see we're way down off the highs, but let's go to a smaller time scale. You see, nice run, pullback, nice run again, little pullback, and then we're long grind up. So this is looking real good for Bitcoin, looking real good for crypto, guys. Be at 30K by the end of the month at this rate. Well, let's hope so. Bunch of the other cryptos, Contentos up 16%. What? Alright, guys, look at this. It was up even more, and it's backing off, getting ready for another run. It was up over a penny. Wow. Alright. Now, compared to its all-time high, maybe not that impressive, but we're going back, and we could be on, like I said before. This is the hidden gem. Yeah, with NFT and real estate coming up, it's going to be cool. It's going to be good. So be sure to get in now while we still can. I'm debating whether to stack more of that or something else. What do you guys think I should be going for? Seller? Seller's actually down today. What's going on there? I don't know. Now, Cardano, looking good, Cardano. I really like that crypto a lot. Polygon Matic, we're back up again, over $1. That is crazy. Alright, come to think, not that long ago, we were down. Look at this, we were down 30 some cents. Could have tripled your money. And I did, in a lot of cases here. I was buying at 33 cents and all the way up. Like I said before, Matic's $5. No problem. Piece of cake. What do you guys think? VeChain still out there? Raven Coin. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Don't forget about Solana. A lot of people have high hopes pegged on that. I mean, yeah, I think it's good. Is it a good deal? I guess. It's only 50. So 0.3 Solana, not a heavy hitter for sure. Do I want to buy more? Could it go back up again? It could. So it could 5x from here, easily. Back to its previous highs. Is that worth it? I don't know. Maybe. Tell me in the comments below, guys, you think Solana is going to do anything for us. I'm not convinced. Okay? A lot of these other tokens are not getting a lot of publicity. Anchor, I do have some of that still in another account as well. Alright? But I'm going to stick with what I know. So, you guys can guess what I'm going with, right? Come on. Leave it in the comments below. No? Not yet? Alright, I'm going with Digibyte. Why? I have a good feeling. Alright? It was up super high. I bought into it a little. And now it's super low. So, I think it's going to come back. What do you guys think? Not entirely convinced? Well, neither am I. That's why I'm only putting 20 bucks in. Alright, it's going to get me 1,400 or so. More importantly, it's going to bag me 5 diamonds. Quest 25 is where we're at, okay? So, we need to get back there. Here's the 5. I'm going to redeem those real quick. So, at 25, I can buy another box and get some free CRO. It's just like a little bonus. Alright, it's no biggie. I've got up to like 5 CRO, 4.5 CRO, something like that. Go back, watch my videos. Be sure to subscribe and join to the channel. Pretty cool. Alright guys, I think crypto's going up. Bitcoin to 1,000,000. Sandbox, Mana are all going to the moon. Sooner or later. It's called the long-term 5-year plan. So be sure to join me and join up on the channel. You can see all my trades. Be sure to subscribe. Smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.